just completed the Business Made Simple. Got my certification. Thank you, Apostle Karen. You've been truly a blessing. I'm currently about to open my new business, All About Visions. I just want to give you guys a couple of perks that I learned that's been, like I said, truly a blessing. Portable. Your portable workspace, having something portable to talk about your business, to keep it right there in front of you, keeping all your taxes together, keeping all of your, keeping all of your taxes together, keeping all your password and emails at your fingertips. That's very important to me. Just having a file cabinet. I think organization is the key. She made the class very simple. And she answered all of the questions well. We ate really good. But overall, I give it an A1+. I highly recommend taking the class. Thank you.